unprecedented. This is crazy. Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade ideas show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
These motherfuckers, man. I don't need no introduction, man. We only got 3 watchers, man.
Tefleezy Fosheezy is in the heezy. We only have three watchers. It's me, John. Shout out to Paco. The only 3. Now I know some other people watch too, but Paco.
Hey man, Paco be making good coin because he actually watches.
I know. He's been consistent in the past week.
He hit MasterCard. He had other stuff. So
that's just called being consistent. You know what I mean? That's just called being consistent. God, John, I have a very, very important question, right? You saw the stock market kind of, teeter on towards the end of it. Is it a correction or is it the crash?
Hey, you know what? September has always been a bad month, so it might be a late boomer this month. So I mean, it's not too late. We still got 3 more weeks.
Like clockwork, a news article just came across the wire saying, John, what did they say? 2 regional presidents for the Fed.
Presidents, regional presidents are liquidating their entire accounts.
Liquidating their entire accounts because of ethical concerns that they were trading in 2020. Excuse me, who wasn't trading in 2020? Not people who didn't want to learn how to trade in 2020, but most everybody who's in the market, who's participating in the market, were trading in 2020, right? And that's not called liquidating. That's called cashing out. That's like saying, you know what? I've made so much money already, and they waited until Apple's at all-time highs. They waited until all the tech stocks are all-time highs, just in time for September. We're not dumb to this. We knew September was going to happen.
You know what's funny? Because we covered this in our seminar last night. NASDAQ is actually hitting overbought levels. Remember? On the weekly? Yeah. I'm just saying.
I mean, if you guys missed an opportunity to learn some plays yesterday, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Not knowing how to sell at the top will make your heart stop. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
Keeping it real.
Oh, I'll take the 9. I take the 9. Just simple, classy, poignant. Very straight to the point. I like that. And if you guys are interested, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you like this content, because John, if they gave us a thumbs down,
your mom's hoe. Wait, going back to the quality, man. Hold on. Sometimes I like it cheap too. I mean, I don't have to pay for a $10 burger. Sometimes I like a $1 meal too.
I mean, the best times of my life were when when you were hitting that dollar menu, when it was still $1, right? Hitting that dollar menu. So you take a McChicken. We talked about this on the pod before. You take a McChicken, right? And you take a McDouble. Don't get the double cheeseburger. That's a sucker's bet. Because if you get the McDouble, you only really need 1 slice of cheese, right? You're already getting a cheap meal. You don't need an extra slice of cheese for 50 cents. You are smoking crack. So you take the McDouble and you take the McChicken. You take off the top bun or the bottom bun on the McDouble. You take the top bun off of the McChicken and you put them together. Now you have yourself a McGangbang. A McGangbang. For those who, if you grew up in the Bay Area, if you spent some time in the Bay Area, you know what a McGangbang is. A McGangbang is a rite of passage. It's a delicacy. It's a delicacy. It's a delicious item. And sometimes if your McDonald's is really hip, you could order a McGangbang through the drive-thru window, and they'll give you a McGangbang through the drive-thru window. Only in Pittsburgh, California, boys. It's only in Pittsburgh, California. And drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. All right, let's get some Lamborghinis going. Lamborghinis. Not a whole lot of Lamborghinis today.
No, there's a couple that posted on the general chat. So I think one of them's
the captain of the ship himself took Amazon.
Captain Jack.
This Captain J took Amazon and started hanging out in his backyard.
One and done. And I bet you're going back to bed.
Captain J took Amazon and put his feet up, and now he's enjoying his deck.
Actually, how long did it take him to trade that one?
I don't know. He says, was it 27 trades?
22nd.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know how long it was, but he did say that.
I guarantee you, it actually took him longer to walk from his office back to the bedroom with his big ass mansion. Sorry, he's not watching this. It's fine.
It took him longer. Big ass house. No, that's a beautiful home, by the way. Jay has a beautiful home.
Hell yeah, man!
It's a gorgeous house. What we were talking about yesterday on the seminar, it was like there's a big echo in his office. That's not an echo. That's a ghost.
Big
that's
ass
a moo. That's a moo in there. Shout out to Paco. Paco took MasterCard. We've been talking about MasterCard for quite some time now. 313 on MasterCard.
Nice.
Solid moves on MasterCard there, my guy. Terry, good old Terry, hit some support SPRT for a few bucks there. Alvin, $84 on Moderna.
Yeah, he's getting gas money.
I know, gas money all day. Matt hitting $33 on MasterCard. I don't know what happened here. How did that? I thought
he made 3 something, didn't he?
No, it says $33.
Oh, that's all right. Whatever.
Yeah, green is green. I'll take that. Tony hit Coinbase for 50.
He likes to trade Coinbase.
Huh? He does. He does. He does. And you know how we talk about making sure that you guys have a stable of stocks that you guys like to trade. Yeah, a stable of stocks. If you guys don't know how your stable works, you're really not in charge of your trading story, because if you don't have a core group of stocks that you know exactly how to move, you're going to keep bouncing off from chart to chart and not having a beat on what's going to happen next, right? That's why you have a core 4 or a core 5 that you know for sure how they're going to move, and that's how you play that strength and weakness, right? So it's really solid moves for the team there. Let's take a look at the first stock that we want to cover. It's Affirm. What the hell went on with Affirm?
Affirm is strong, man.
Affirm is extra strong. I'm liking Affirm. Affirm is extra strong. It popped originally because of Amazon now accepting Affirm payments. I don't know if they're doing it now, but it's said that they are going to start taking Affirm as a payment method for Amazon products, which is overly bullish, really. Amazon has some way of making that happen, like break it down into 4. But this really tells you guys that Affirm is a very solid company, and Affirm has really solid customer service. I've been using Affirm for a while now, right? And it really helps out. Like, I mean, big purchases, you just go on Affirm. Why not? Why not stretch it out if you can, right?
Man, can you believe that? A few months back, it hit as low as $46.
Crazy.
How crazy is that?
3x your money.
Damn it.
3x your money. Imagine buying leaps on this.
Yeah.
Just setting it, forgetting it.
That sucks, man.
I know. That's why we're so.
Yeah, damn near tripled your money in a few months. Actually, in 6 months.
I know. That's why we're so overly holding on to Palantir, because just waiting for this to happen.
Yeah, I mean, Palantir's next, bro. Like 3 times their money, hit 75 by December.
Right? Yeah, give me that. But one thing to note, though, Affirm hit all-time highs today. It hit $115 after the bell because of a very, very positive earnings report, and it's holding its gains. So we today it looks like it's going to close around the 110 mark. I mean, the market's still open until 5 p.m., but it looks like it's going to close around this level. This will gap up tomorrow if we take a look at the chart, right? If we take a look at the chart, let's zoom in. That's a little too zoomed right there. So it's going to open up like right around here, 110.
11, yeah.
110-ish, right here.
Yeah.
I mean, again, the gap that needs to fill is from 110 to 101, 9 point dip before it rockets again. That's possible.
Man, there's
That's
still a
highly
gap
possible.
at 70.
Huh?
There's still
There's
a gap.
still a gap in 70.
I thought that was going to get filled.
No,
But
that's not going to
never
get
mind.
filled anymore. This is a runaway. This is a runaway train.
Yeah.
And there's very rare stocks. I wouldn't call this a unicorn stock, but I'm saying that it's highly possible that Affirm has more gas for tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I do feel that the market is overextended. So let's see. Be careful, because these highly extended stocks are usually the first ones to get pulled down with negative market news.
Growth stocks are usually the ones that sell off first.
Yeah, exactly. Because the value, people are starting to look for value stocks, right? The next stock that we want to cover is Tesla. What the hell happened with Tesla today?
Tesla actually was holding.
I know. I
Until,
thought it was going to hold today too.
Right towards the end.
Right towards the end, right? So this is a gravestone. I am not, although it is a green day, we did see some green volume. I'm still not overly excited about Tesla. I don't know. I'm not really sure how to trade this right now, because after hours it gave us this.
I mean, I wouldn't short it still. I mean, I would hold off on
short
this
it.
one. I wouldn't short it. Not yet.
This is what it gave us after hours.
After hours, yeah. It kind of after hours. I mean, yeah, it lost a point.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Lost a point after hours. Yeah.
For this one, I mean, you got plenty of support. You know, it's not that far off. I mean, it's at 738, 39. You got 15 points below you hit support. So I don't know. I mean, it could bounce from there, but as long as it's still far off the EMA, I think it's too early to short. So who knows?
What did Sammy say? If it's riding the 9, you'll be fine. Shout out to Sammy. If it's riding the 9, you should be fine.
Yeah,
we have a cast of characters, bro. We really have a cast of characters. The next stock that we want to cover is Coinbase. John, Coinbase. Is it time to short Coinbase?
Coinbase, you owe me $500, man.
Did they not get back to you?
No, they emailed me. They gave me an answer saying, you know, we'll get back to you. And then, has this been resolved? And I said no.
No. It has not been resolved. One thing to note about Coinbase is this. This is the head and shoulders pattern, right?
Oh, yeah, huh?
Right?
Okay.
It's not the cleanest head and shoulders, but it's there. And you see this MACD curling down, crossing below. We saw a breakdown of the EMA 9, right? It tried to break the 9, but it also broke the 20 to the downside. So the next target right here that we're seeing is the EMA 50, which you're looking at roughly around 254-ish. Right? Anything below that, I mean, you're going to short it. Your next level of support is going to be 247.
Is that the 100?
No. I'm using previous lows.
Okay, previous lows.
Previous lows as next level of support. So if the EMA 50 breaks, use the latest lowest point, right, as your next level of support. And if that breaks, obviously more to the downside.
But you also got to follow cryptocurrency with Coinbase, obviously, because it moves with Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin just got hammered. I mean, today was somewhat a green day for Bitcoin. I think it was a dead cat bounce, but who knows? You know, the whole El Salvador news, buy 30 to support El Salvador. Didn't really pan out, you know, the way they thought it was going to pan out, because it actually crashed Bitcoin. By like what, 10, 12, 15%.
Yep.
So just imagine, you know, you're in El Salvador and you look at your wallet and you're like, wait, why is it 15% off?
Right. But I want to know
way of getting Bitcoin, and next thing you know, you're like, wait, I lost money.
Right. I want to know how this actually works out. Like, if you own El Salvadorian currency, do you go to the bank and exchange it for Bitcoin?
I don't know. I gotta do more research about that.
Yeah, I got to do some more research too. You know what? You know who might actually knows your brother? We're gonna have him again on the show on Saturday.
He sent me a text saying, "I support El Salvador." No,
Yeah,
you support Bitcoin.
you support Bitcoin. Mr. Crystal Balls himself will be on the show on Saturday. Mr. Crystal Balls himself.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm excited for that show.
dude
Anything
can see in
else?
the future. He can see in the future.
He that guy. I mean, forget diamond hands, man. Forget diamond hands. Your brother has crystal balls.
Yep, he does.
Crystal balls, has no risk tolerance, whatever. His risk tolerance is so high that it makes Snoop Dogg look sober. And that's pretty much it. Do you want to add anything else to Coinbase?
Now we're good.
I think so too. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you like this content. Because John, if they gave us a thumbs down, your mother is a beaver consultant that has clear heels with fishes in it, and you have to shake it so that the fishes get some type of oxygen. And then drop down in the comment section with the stock you guys want us to cover. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you hit our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're new to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join in a group of active traders that have your best interest in mind, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, and we'll get you guys straight. Follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, guys, let's get trading. And remember that the charts don't lie.
Yeah.